Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Taobao Chinese shopping app. And in this video, I will show you on how to find product code on Taobao and how you can use the product code for easy sourcing of any type of item you are looking for in Taobao Chinese shopping app. So with that being said, let's get started. Like for instance, if you are looking for a particular product, let's say we come to the search right here and we are looking for Android. You're looking for Android television, and hit on search. Now we have different results as far as Android television is concerned. The more you scroll down here, the more you see different products in this category. Let's say, for instance, I'm interested in this particular one right here. So you go ahead and click on the product link, and it's going to load up right here. So this is giving us another entirely. We can go back and then take a look at another product right here. So like for instance, this particular one here, let's find out. Okay, so this is an Android television right here. Okay, now let's say for instance you are interested in this particular product right here, and then you do not have a means of payment to this particular product, but this is exactly what you need, and you want to hire someone to source and ship the product for you and make the payment for you. That is when you need product code. And in this tutorial, I will show you on how to see the product code and how you can use them to source for direct product and ship from Taobao without any stress. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, Shenyun, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The next thing I'm going to do right here is to make sure you find out how we get the product code of this particular product right here. So for that, go ahead and click on this icon. So it's going to take us right here. Instantly, you are getting the product code right here. So what you need to do right here is to go ahead and screenshot this product code. After you make a screenshot, you can crop off. So I'm going to screenshot again. So after you make a screenshot, you can easily crop off to the point of QR code and save it on your phone. Now, how can you use this particular QR code here? So this particular QR code here is exactly what you need to send to the person that wants to procure for you or make payment for you in your Taobao app. Okay, so go ahead and then for you to use the code, go back to the home page in Taobao. Continue to go back to the home page in Taobao. So getting back to the home page in Taobao, you can go ahead and click on here. And it's going to open up camera. Go ahead and select your QR code. And in a few seconds, it's going to scan and find the exact product in Taobao Chinese shopping app. Just like what you see right here, it automatically connects me back right here. Then from here, we can contact the seller by using this chat icon right here. So when you click on that, it automatically opens chat box. Then we can start having a conversation. It's that simple. So here you can ask as many as possible different types of questions from the seller. You can send product picture sample. You can do a lot of things in this section of chat with the seller right here. Once you are satisfied with everything, then you can go ahead and make a purchase. So let me know what you think about this particular tips about Taobao. And for more tutorial tips and tricks about how to source and ship products from China using Taobao Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.